Hey everyone, my name is Sergio Dominguez, and today I'm going to be talking about how materials move in and out of the cell. There are five main types of transports across the cell membrane. We have simple diffusion right here, we have facilitated diffusion over here. We have active transport. I'm gonna label it. I'm gonna label it later. Okay, we have endocytosis and endoexotosis. Yeah, I can't pronounce that. Okay. Alright, now let's start with the simple one. Simple diffusion. With simple diffusion. Simple diffusion is when molecules move from an area where there's a lot of them, which will be right here, to an area where there's less, kind of like people spraying on the big room, sort of like that. This doesn't need any energy because it happens naturally. Substances like oxygen, carbon dioxide move across the cell membrane this way. Now here is facilitated diffusion. Facilitated diffusion is similar to simple diffusion because it also moves molecules from high to low concentration, but this time molecules need help from transport proteins in the cell membrane. These proteins act like doors that can only let certain substances through. For example, glucose and ions like sodium and potassium use facilitated diffusion to get into or out of the cell. Now, active transport is different. This one does need energy. That's because it moves substances from low concentrations to high concentrations, which is the opposite of diffusion. Cells use protein pumps and ATP energy to push molecules where they need to go. A good example is the sodium-potassium pump that helps nerve cells work properly. Endocytosis happens when the cell takes in large materials by wrapping its membrane around them. The cell basically forms a bubble called a vessel to pull the material inside. It's kind of like the cell eating something. White blood cells do this when they take in bacteria, and some cells use it to absorb nutrients. Exocytosis is the opposite of endocytosis. Instead of taking things in, the cell releases materials by using vessels with the cell membrane. This helps to get rid of waste or send out important substances. For example, nerve cells use exocytosis to release neurotransmitters, and the glands use it to release hormones. Okay, these were all the 5 cell transportation thingy-majiggies. I mean, this video was a little bit hard to make, but yeah, I mean, okay, the websites where I got this information from will be displayed on screen right now. Okay, well, that was it. These were the 5 mains of cellular transportation. My name is Hector, and thank you for listening.